Welcome back to this chapter 13 tutorial on Excel VBA Basic to Advanced. In this chapter you will learn the do until loop. The do until loop is just the opposite of do while loop. So if you haven't watched the previous chapter, I request you to watch the do while loop first, then learn this do until loop so that it will be easier for you to understand. To explain do until loop, I am going to take the same example that was used for do while loop. Here in this first example, I have to apply border in the cell until it finds a blank row here. In case of do while, the border was applied while the cell was not blank, and in case of do until, the border will be applied until it finds a blank cell here. For that, let me go to developer, then Visual Basic. Here I will edit the same code that was used in the previous chapter. Here in this first procedure, the do while loop is used, so let me change this procedure name to do until loop, and here in the condition of do while, and here in the condition of loop, this is given as, here in the condition of loop, the not equal to symbol is used. It means if the value in the cell is not equal to blank, then it will apply border. But in case of do until, we have to change this symbol to opposite. It is not equal to. So remove this not equal to symbol, then make it equal to, because this is a do until condition, and change this do while to do until. In this code, I have to also update the sheet name, that is chapter 13a. So let me make this chapter 13a. Now if I run this code, the border will be applied here. Let me hit on the run button, and here you see the borders are applied until it finds a blank cell here. This VBA code found the blank cell here in the B7. So it stopped executing the code from the B6 cell, and the border is applied from B1 to B6. So this is how the do until works. Let's go to second example, where I have to calculate the result of the student, and here also the logic will be calculate the result here in this column until a cell is blank here in the A column. It means until a blank cell is found here in the B column, the code should execute. So when a blank cell is here in the A8 cell, the code should execute till A7. So in this logic, the do until works. Go to VBA, then here in the second code, let me modify this while to until, and here in the do while statement, let's make it a do until. Then we have to change this logic. The not equal to should be changed to equal to in this case. Then the sheet name should be chapter 13. So let me make this chapter 13. Then all the remaining code will be same. Now if you hit on the run button, here you see the result is calculated. So the do until loop is just the opposite of do while loop. You can use any of these two methods for repeating the block of code. In the next chapter, we will learn the if statements in VBA, where we will cover the simple if then else, if then else if else, and IIF statements. If you want to practice the do until loop, download the sample workbook file from the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next chapter.